All right, the next system that we're going to set up is called TradingView, tradingview.com. We are going to do our charting and our technical analysis on TradingView so that we can know where to enter our orders in at. So let's set up TradingView. Type in tradingview.com. And I'm on an incognito tab because I have a TradingView account already, but I want to walk you through how to set up yours. So you'll get a screen that looks like this. Go over to Get Started, and we're going to set up a free account. Now, as we get going, I use a Plus account. I pay a yearly amount of $300. Really good deal. It allows you to open up more charts and do more things, more time frames and whatnot on it. But for right now, what we're doing, just open up a free account, hit sign up. We'll open it up however you want to. So I'm just going to open mine up with Google. And you do the same. All right, now we're officially set up in TradingView. The next thing that you're going to do is go to products. Scroll down to super charts here. Click that. And what you'll see is a similar chart to what MT5 had, but we're going to customize this. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to right click on the chart. It'll open up a dialog box. We're going to scroll down to settings, and you can customize this however you want. I don't like to see lines on my chart, so I'm going to scroll down to scales and canvas. I'm going to scroll down to canvas. Where it says background, I want to make sure that it's a solid background, but where it says grid lines, we're going to put none. So you see the grid lines disappear. That's all we're going to do for right now. We're going to explore more of TradingView later, but that's all the customizations that we're going to do to the screen right now. The next thing I want you to do is over to the right, you'll see these different icons. Make sure the top icon is selected, and that should be your watch list. I want you to click this plus sign, and I want you to type in a symbol. We can look up any stock, any currency, any futures, any indice, any bond, any economic instrument, excuse me. But we're going to type in Euro USD. That's the one we took the trade on MT5, if you remember. Type in Euro USD. And then these are the different brokers that offers this chart. You can select any broker. I'm going to choose 8cap here, the 8cap broker. We're going to hit the plus sign. And now that is added to our watch list. We can see it here. So when you click on that, you're going to see that chart. All right. That's the only thing that I want you to do for right now. When we go through the training, we're going to be clicking back and forth on TradingView and on MT5. Those are the two systems that you need. You're set up. Now we can jump into the training.